Hey guys, that absolute hack of me. Me and Nomo ended up having to fly separate because, actually a really long story, I'll probably tell you when I'm there because I'm on my own, so I don't want to video too much. I had to fly Dublin to London, which is where I am now, and now I'm flying to Miami and then Miami to Cancun. That Pretty Little Thing party was last night. It was so good, but like I'm so hungover. When I was telling people that I had to fly on my own, everyone was literally like, "Oh, you can't go on your own," because everyone knows what I'm like and that I get lost. Honestly, don't know what I'm doing. I'm literally just walking, following signs and hoping for the best. My case is still in Miami. It's all black under my eyes. It never left Miami. They said it will come tomorrow at like 10. When I got off the plane, I couldn't connect to the Wi-Fi. My phone's not sending texts or receiving calls or anything, so I couldn't text Domo. I had to go to like the, you know, where you retrieve your bag when it's lost. But the queue was so long, there's only one girl on it, so I was on it for ages. Like I'd say 45 minutes. When I walked out of the airport, Domo was with all security guards. People that worked in the airport. He had them all looking for me. He was showing them all a picture of me saying, "This is what she looks like." And then he said that like they were walking around the airport saying, "Blonde." You worried?
Yeah.
Why?
Thought you were gone.
Okay, we're going to bed now because we're literally so tired. We'll see you in the morning. Got up at like 7 o'clock this morning. I'm still in my airport stuff because I still don't have a case. And like I don't even have my cleansers, like nothing. I just feel like disgusting. We got breakfast and now we're going to go put our towels down. Jamal's already drinking.
Yup.
He's drinking rum and coke. We're gonna go down to the pool now and get cocktails. We're also changing room because we were like, sea view in our room, like it's not the best. The room's nice, like it's just a normal room, but the sea view, yeah. And like that was the one thing I was like, I want to sea view. So Domo went down. I was like, you go down and say it. So he went down and he was like, there was a few things broken in the room as well. So he was like, there's a few things broken and the sea view isn't the best. And they were like, okay, we're going to change your room. So we have to wait till tomorrow. So tomorrow at like 12, we get a new room. I'll show you the room before we move out of it. Oh my god, my hair. This is good. It's really big and bright and everything, but the room's grand. Like it's literally just the view. And then come in here. Another mirror, which Donald just spilled sun cream all over. So this is our view then. Oh, it's so warm. That's our view. So it's not really the best, in my opinion. Oh look, you can see the room. Oh yeah, they put rose petals on the bed because I told them it was our honeymoon. And then you get like a drink station. So I don't even know. So that's vodka. I don't know what that one is. That's whiskey and then rum. So they get refilled every 2 days. And then you get this all full as well. So this is, because we're all inclusive, like you don't obviously have to pay for this. And these are all my shoes. In my small case, I only had shoes. New shades, who's this?
Who's that? Look at that white arm thing.
Ew. This is the pool area.
Where do you want to lie down? In the shed?
I can't lie down.
Why?
Fucking tracksuit. I have to lie down. He wants you to lie down on a sunbed like this. We're just going into the supermarket to get some stuff for our hotel room. So far, yeah.
I was like, who is she talking to? Saw that herself.
We have straws because our hotel doesn't do straws. So weird. It must be like a.
They must have agreement with Nando's.
Must be like a, I don't know, cost thingy. So we bought our own straws, and then we got 4 packets of crisps, Hershey bar, and Corona for Domo. I'm not drinking Corona. I'll just have cocktails. Domo goes to me. Tom Cruise cocktail was filmed here. It says not filmed here. When we were in Amsterdam, there's loads of chip shops everywhere. One of the chip shops had above the door, the best chips in Amsterdam. Obviously just like a marketing thing. And Dama was like, oh my god, Brian, look, the best chips in Amsterdam are in that place. We get chips in there. And now he's just like, this is what they're saying about that above the door. Brian, Tom Cruise's cocktail was filmed in there. I was like, it says not filmed. Oh my god, it's so warm. Oh my god, there's Domino's. We got my bag. All the way from Miami. You would think that because it's all inclusive, the drinks would be watered down, but they're actually so strong, aren't they, Domo? Yeah. This bikini, it's from Bahimi. My bag is pennies. So nice. We're just going out for dinner now. Loads of people, when I asked for recommendations, recommended the Argentinian steakhouse. So that's where we're going. We have a table booked for 8. So we need to move. Someone's waiting for me. There's something on the mirror. Anyway, this is what I'm wearing. This is from Topshop. This skirt is from Pretty Little Thing. I love it. It's so nice. My shoes are Avines. She let me borrow them. They're from River Island, but I think they're from last year. This is what it looks like from further away. I have a coaster on my lip. So big, isn't it? Ooh, yeah, that's good. Yeah. I forgot to show my food net when I first cleared it up, so it looks like crap now. Like, that's my steak there. Huge. How big it is. And that as well. And then we got steak as well. We shared sides. You get so much chips. Nice, Emma? The restaurant's so nice. I definitely recommend it. Tomo was like to me when we were at the bar, your hair is so nice. I was like, no it's not, because it's so humid, like, so my hair is so frizzy. He was like, no, it's so nice, it's really thick. Because it's like really, like, it's like puffed out. My curler doesn't work over here, so I literally have nothing to do my hair. And I forgot my hair dryer, so I only have like the little shitty one that's in the bathroom. That Argentinian steakhouse was literally unreal. Such a change from the hotel food. I don't like the hotel buffet. I don't really like buffets anyway. There's like specialty restaurants in the hotel. So there's Mexican, steakhouse, and Chinese. And I love the Chinese. It's just like a normal Chinese kind of, you know, like Chinese are always kind of buffets, or a lot of the time they're buffets. So that's kind of just like that. And there's all you can eat sushi as well. Now I literally love sushi. I thought it wasn't going to be nice because obviously it's sitting there. Thought it wouldn't be like, sushi's only really nice when it's really fresh. But like, oh my god, it's so nice. And they literally like bring out new ones every like 5 minutes. We haven't been to the Mexican yet because I don't really like Mexican food. Doma wants to go though. We've been to the steakhouse. That's nice. It's nothing special, but it's nice, like. And then where else? Oh yeah, and then there's just like the international buffet, so that's all different foods, and that's just not nice. We're just having a shandy. Doma forgot to bring down his sun cream for his head. He has like a skin head, so he needs like a high factor, but he forgot it, so he has to wear his t-shirt like that.
Ready?
This is my lunch.
Look.
Prawns and chips.
Ready? I think we have actually a Whopper room here. I'd happily live here for the rest of my life.
Would you?
Yeah.
We're just going into our new room. So I didn't like the view in our last push.
937.
Is that a good one?
Yeah. We're looking at the sea.
Imagine we got a worse room. Ooh. Yes!
Yup!
Woohoo! Oh my god, look at that for a view. I'm just putting my lashes on, and I just want to show you how I like bring my lashes when I travel, or just like this is always in my makeup room. This is just where I keep them all the time. They haven't been cleaned because these are all ones that I've worn before. Also, this bag, it's from Luna by Lisa, by Just Jordan on Instagram. I'm sure you all know her. It's honestly so handy. Like, Domo, what's my makeup normally like when we go away? Everywhere. Literally is always everywhere. And this bag is just so handy. It just keeps everything in one place. And then when you're done, you just, I can't do it now because I only one hand, but you like pull it tight and it closes like this. It's like the best thing ever. We're just going down now to book some trips. I put up an Instagram post, an Instagram post, and I was asking you all for recommendations, and loads of people wrote back. So we're going to go down and see if we can do them. All the ones people said. This isn't what I'm wearing for the night. I just wanted to put on something casual because I don't really want to go down to wherever it is that you booked them. It's like a bit further from here in like a dress and wedges because it's still only, what time is it? I don't know, it's about 5. So I'm just wearing this for now, and then I'll change into something more dressy when we get back. And then we're gonna go for dinner. I think we're gonna go to the Chinese restaurant. It looks really nice. Oh, what the hell? I keep getting all over my face. This is from Rebellious Fashion. My shoes always get asked. They're Topshop, but it was last year. But Public Desire have similar ones. This is what they look like.
My lashes are Polish. This is what they look like.
I'm like obsessed with Cutie. I just love them. I look so burnt. And we love our new room. So much nicer. We're just booking our tours. We got this one, jungle tour. We got Isla Mujeres. It's like an island. And then we got like what's the other one? Oh my god, you're so burnt. I can't. The other one is zip lining and ATV and on quad bikes. It's all you can eat sushi in our hotel. My brother would love it. Tonight we're eating in the Chinese restaurant in the hotel. I got sushi to start, and then now I'll just shake it. Good morning. It's 10 to 8, I think. What day are we on? Sunday. Oh, it's hot. It's almost 8 o'clock. We're going to Isla Mujeres, I think it's called. It's an island today. We're in Isla Mujeres now, so it's not as commercialized, it's more Mexican, if that makes sense.
When you come back, check my store. Drop me when you come back.
We're about to rent a golf buggy now. You can rent golf buggies to go around the island. Tomo's driving our golf buggy, even though I'm a better driver. He won't let me drive. Whee! Where are we going to?
Follow the last bit on this one.
We don't know where they're going to. Yeah! His ass! Their golf buggy broke down.
So, very popular something. And the name.
This is where we're getting back on our boat. Yay! It's a video. We're just stopped for a few minutes. We're gonna stay here and people are just swimming or whatever. The water is literally crystal clear. Like I've never seen water like that in my life. It's so nice. Ready?
Like this. Open your mouth.
Whoa, guys!
It's recording.
We're going over there.
I can't even stand up. I can't
You
even
can
stand
like
up.
sit on that big, I don't know even what it is, like a sail, and you go up in the air. So nice here. I'm so burnt, it's not even funny. Domo! Are you getting your hat? Domo! It's too far, I'm going now. Oh my god, it was so good. I definitely recommend doing it. But it is like a booze cruise. Isn't it, Domo? Yeah. Like, it's literally just non-stop drink. And there's music and like, oh, so good. We're going to the steakhouse in our hotel. The skirt is from H&M. My top is from Topshop. I've never been this burnt. I never really burn. Like, I might just get a bit red on my chest, but that's it. But like, I'm definitely like burnt. We went out on that boat yesterday. We were in the sun like all day from 9 in the morning until 5. So this is the result. And Domo's even worse. I don't think he even shows a full camera. So, oh my god, you look so red here. It's not sunny today, so we're just gonna... Oh no, we have a tour. We're doing a jungle tour today. Yous recommended it on my Instagram post. So we have that today. Domo's not gonna even take off his top. You're recording his top because he's just so burnt. We're going in for breakfast now though, because we're both starving. Also, Domo's throat is closing up. We don't know why. It's all swollen. The medical person was just like, go get ibuprofen or something, like a painkiller, and hopefully it will take it down. We're on a thing called the jungle tour. We haven't actually gone yet. We're just pulling out now. You get your own boat. So cool. Almost driving. I'll drive on the way back. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh, Dom, you're meant to do that as well. Jungle now. Hopefully we'll see crocodiles. There's crocodiles in this water. How mad is that? I think we should go a bit faster. What's that mean? They're doing all these signals. They keep doing signals. There was this really cool boat thing you can go on. It looks like a shark and it goes up in the air like a shark. Oh my god, it's so cool. Actually it's a dolphin, I think. Anyway, that was going, so I kept looking at that, kept forgetting to look at him. Now I can't remember the signals. Oh my god, this is so scary.
Never swim through this. Didn't get paid.
Even what?
Didn't get paid.
Come on, this guy. And these strings.
What about them?
Funny. I think we should go a bit faster. Look, they're losing them. We're just going scuba diving now. Or sorry, snorkeling. So clear. Oh Jesus, it's falling. My go. have a mango daiquiri, please? Thank you.
Bueno, bueno, bueno.
We're just on the beach now. Chilling. The sun's actually kind of gone in. It'll come back out there. It's all blue there. Well, that's what I'm hoping anyway. My legs look so small. I actually didn't know, but this is actually a private beach. Domo just told me. He said every hotel has their own private beach. Is that right, Domo? Yeah? That's what Domo says. I wouldn't quote that though. You get served your drinks on the beach as well because it's owned by the hotel. So the waiters come around and you get whatever drink you want. This is a mango daiquiri. I really like it. We're just about to go out now. We just had a Chinese and now we're going... We don't actually know where we're going. We're going to have a few drinks in the hotel and then probably go to a nightclub or something. We haven't really decided yet. This is what I'm wearing. This is from Topshop a while ago though. This bralette is actually from Penny's. It's cool on the black. And then my shoes, they're from ASOS. But that was a while ago as well. I did have my see-through ones on. I literally love these ones. They're from Pretty Little Thing, they're so comfy. But Domo said these ones are nicer with this outfit. So I'm wearing these ones now.
When I first met Blonde, I used to listen to this in bed.